Guess who we have in the house? Is none other person but the person of Literates, aka Brocos. Now that one be me. I mean, when they talk today, I remember your one and only the Meta Auto Actor MC Doctor TV. As the matter they go, when I know say me na daughter when be say I be gynecologist. But it's just that I dey do many free job, but I know they give free injection. You know why? Because injection cost well. Today we go to throw 3 questions, and our brother when he did the ask, so he get in your channel also one that they call Literates channel, Literates TV. You get another one that they call Brocos TV. Anyone when you visit, try me, you subscribe. You got so many content there that definitely you're going to like. And without wasting any further time, I would like to throw my question straight to him because he get waiting he talk for social media when we see when we can convert when we want to ask a question. So, and the question goes this way: why did you say old ways of love is better to the generational ways?
You see, for my own opinion, my mom tell me reach like that, say, the first time when he meet my papa, now when he come from farm, he come meet some elder people for house. All of a sudden, the papa call and come out for his house, which is my mom, father. My daughter, this is your husband. It was like a joke. And that was the same first day my dad know my mom. My mom was crying as in, he doesn't get it. Even my mother, the mother was not happy about that decision my mother, father took. So, even my mom, the mother, is not happy for that decision wey papa take. Before, after many cry from my mother and all of that, at the end of the day, my mother still follow my dad comot. But you can't believe it, my brother MC Doctor TV. Today, my mom don born 12 children for that house, for my father. Unfortunately, we lost one. We are now 11. Yeah. So, I can't dey wonder, and my dad and my mom, they still dey together in their 80s, and most other marriages where I still dey see, people wey marry those days, their marriage even last more than the people wey dey marry now. If you go out there now, you go look marriages. Before you see marriage wey don last 20 years or 15, e dey hard from this new generation. Many of them, it has to do with things of the world and wetin they believe on. What am I trying to say is this: people should try to be who they are. And some go, yes, my brother, as you talk am. Some go tell you say, it's good to know the person first. But even those wey even know their self, they not still even dey reach that 15 years or 10 years in marriage. Because our parents, they don't know their self before, but they were still together and all of that. So let's try and amend things. That's my opinion in this issue.
My God, I'm short of words. And guys, let's go straight to the second question. And Brocos, the second question says, what do you have to say about unfulfilled promises? People when they promise, people when not they fulfill them.
Now that one come worse past my brother. You see, for me, I don't like promising because you see, most problem what they face for this life, it has to do with promise wey people don't make. And for me, I dey take like kind of a generational thing, you know, because in most cases, most people, they like when person promise them pass when person tell them the truth. As it be for woman, na so it be for man. Some women they will be say, Now when you like give them, now that they believe you. And when you don't fuck them up, now they go feel say person hurts them. And at the time when you tell them the truth, they know they take them from you, my brother. Such as men. Because so many men just still dey out there, wey be say, they go carry woman come like this. The woman go use all their mind till they follow them. Even the woman go promise to stay with them. When these men even know say, this woman is fully ready. Now that time that man go want to use the woman head. Come they talk heaven and earth. As it be for man, and so it be for woman. But for me, most promises where they come from man, na 95%. That one way not make and reach 100. Now lead you for where women dey, because men, they can promise you heaven and earth on a very good day. He go tell you say, after all, not be the first person way you meet for your life. So for me, I will advise my people, don't always believe on promises. Try to live a normal life. Try to do without promise. If you take that promise will make you like that person or love that person, come on for your life. Wait till be the other reason will go make you stay that place. So those are things we should also think about and try to deal with, you know. As I was saying, all these things will they happen. As me be so, I no go fit open my mouth now to tell any woman now so this one. But in most cases, why so many of these issues, mostly they come out as you know, issue of breakup and all of that, has to do with many women. Now they even the force many men won't marry them, and at the end of the day, all these promises and men, no man go meet to tell you say he won't use you down. At the end of the day, after he don't promise heaven and earth, he not go want maybe say you the woman even get anything at the end of the day. He go just promise you heaven and earth, but he go dey invest for himself. He not go even invest for you. In such cases, you as a woman, you not go even get die property, or you not go even see one cloth carry come on for that home if that man finally turn you down. So all these promises, we need to look deeply into it, you know.
Okay.
So that's it.
Thank you very much, my brother. They say, let they that have you here,
Let them hear.
and let they that have, and let them see. Guys, for real, this is getting more interesting. I would like us to go straight to the third question. I really don't want to take your time. And please, if you've been enjoying this, I'd like you to please subscribe. And Brokos, I want to ask you, what are the major reasons why people cheat on their partners? The major reason why most people they cheat on their partner, me not really know, and we want to know. We want to know most of the things or the major reason why people they cheat on their partners. Thank you.
The major reason why people they cheat on their partners be say, one, I go talk about many people dey we not dey maintain. Some men just dey. They are boss out. If you use them, take carry something come down for fire. That food before they go break, it go spoil. Now so one of my guy that time, I don't know whether you go dey watch now, but at least you will still use and take learn, because now me still save you come up for that issue. If not, if for does still leave your wife. So he get one of my friend will be say, this my friend, to brush safe, to brush teeth na problem for her. A woman, if I go their house, a woman they pursue am, daddy akpakona. You understand? How woman not go leave that kind man? This my friend, many things where they do to even bath self, to even bath. Sometimes when your wife they tell me say, you go pour water on top one for bed. Before, if he never soak, you know they go bedroom, go bath. So I could like imagine say, and most of all these things now, waiting we need to know. You know, say some people they go say we don't dey abroad now, anywhere not dirty, in no rub body for grant now. All these things. When you deal with woman, those odor, if you even push the woman, you understand. Even if you reach the time where you take all baby, this common kiss self, you not go feel even carry you near body as husband will put on for her say he won't really smoke you. You know, say not be say I spoil, but na smooch now we dey call am, you know.
Normal level.
So all those things you no go see am. So my own na be say may dey try dey neat, because most reason why so many home dey happen at the end of the day they dey shit and all of that. It has to do with maintenance, and many men they no even want to maintain their wife. But if they see the one wey find for outside, they go run follow am. But the wife, all in the name say he don put am for house, he go just abandon, and so it still be for boyfriend and girlfriend. For the women side, for his side, women just the way be say, if he even near you, or when you na don't do the honor do finish, my brother, you go still dey use am fan join the fan wey you on.
God forbid.
You say God forbid. Now so we go talk about many characters dey out there wey still dey put some men go outside, go dey look other woman, or dey break their relationship or marriage. So that's just it. So make people try learn all these things, you know. By the time we be say at least with the maintain, all women now they will say many women now, to the extent that they talk to one woman say I no carry dread. Now person that make me go bust my ear. Now yes now person make me bust my ear. I talk to her and say not until you bust your ear. That is where we start from. I go otuni yomajeji. I go bust my ear.
It's okay.
So I wish I not still bust now. I don't lost time. We as men. Now we be still the highest percent of this issue why people not dey fit marry or stay their various houses. Why I talk this word now? If you not like men and carry me go anywhere, men are so wicked. Not all though, but so many men, just like wetin I first talk before, woman go don give them their heart finish. They go promise them heaven and earth, and at the same time, this same man so he go still dey shit with another woman with this lady. So wey dey use all him mind dey follow am. At the time when this lady go take realize all these things, he go still get this broken part for inside am, you no understand? And many men, they are not truthful, they are so secretive. So all of these things, my brother, now wetin we got to deliberate on and still see. And many men, they were born before, they not go still let their wife know, you know. So at the time this woman don born one, born two, born three, put for inside the house, it will come be big problem when he come know at the end of the day. Now there you go, just still see some men wey be say, you see most especially all these men wey be say they run comot for Nigeria for this Europe side now. All these men wey just, all those ones wey not the entire side party. If party they go on now, then you see for outside with beer, cigar, they smoke and everything. We get opportunity, they follow ground where they pursue that they go, they enter abroad. My brother MC.TV. Now these people now be the highest percent of the single mothers or the heartbreak or that has to do with all the failed promises we did this abroad. Because all these men, by the time this woman don't meet them for a year, they don't promise them one or two, born one or two for them. The man now, he go even send them, go another country. The man, he don't even know how much when they say pass. This same man now he go still tell the woman make they pay her strength for the country where he go still dey. If country don better, he go come, but you no go see am. So all these people wey something pursue comot for house wey use opportunity enter here, now they still dey make more 95% of these promises give our women. Wey be say at the end of the day, women wey even e not dey many women mind make they even take the day alone or make they get broken home. Now so it still be for men o, because some women just still dey. Those women single character they not get. Now then I be the women wey be say he go your finish they talk to you now. He go enter bedroom, go make another video call on top of your husband head with the watch TV for parlor. You understand? So all of these things, if that patient not dey, like as I first talk before, all these things where they cause all this heartbreak, it has to do with things of the world. May we try they live normal life. Let's be who we are. It matters a lot. You know, there is one of my song that it's been titled, Who Are We? So these questions and all these things wey dey happen, time dey come wey be say years to come, all these things go be something wey will be say we no go fit turn the hands of time to take correct am. That's why any step we dey make now, we try make the best of us art for everybody, so that people go still dey learn from us. You understand? So that's just it. And I so much thank my beloved brother MC Dr. TV. I'm inviting you guys to also subscribe to MC Dr. TV for more movie and a lot of things is going on there. Lovely movies, you know. He's a very good friend. He's a brother. He's a father. It means a lot to me, you know. So please, if today is your first time of coming across MC Dr. TV, please subscribe. It's free. Just subscribe and press the notification bell to get every new upload from MC Dr. TV. To get any new upload from MC Dr. TV. And I still remain your one and only brother. I'm a man who has a clear vision that can be shown in television. So please, still subscribe to my channel, Brocos TV, and follow my page, Litre Sweet TV, on Facebook. Please, let's come together and make music and theater more visible.
Oh my God, guys, personally, I think I'm okay for today. And if you are not satisfied with what he has just said, please drop your comment in the comment section. We're going to work on that, and so that next time when we are featuring our next guest, we'll give them some of those things to talk more, to deliberate more on it. And in case of necessity, you would like to also visit us to talk in this our live show, please, our number is in the screen. Contact us, write us on WhatsApp. We're going to let you know when and where to meet with us. Thank you very much once more. I remain your one and only, the Mentor Actor MC Dr. TV. I love you, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let me leave you for now so that you can check on other of our videos.